Yo, what's up, everybody? This is Marshall Studios Forever Production here. Happy Saturday, everybody! Well, everybody, I finally got my 1994's Hoover Elite Energy Efficient. I finally got the motor cleaned out. The fan blade was really dirty and dusty, and I finally cleaned it out. It took me a long time to restore it, and I finally kind of fixed this vacuum cleaner, and also I finally found the clue was I knew some construction people actually vacuum up a little bit of a glass and two nails. They were stuck to the motor fan blade. And I really found out those construction people used it too harshly. And they weren't paying attention because they decided to donate that vacuum to the store. And I really found out I bought this vacuum cleaner back on February 8th, 2025 this year. I bought it at Saba's Emporium store. Bought it for $15. When I first got it, it was extremely loud. When I took it home here in Arcadia, Oklahoma, I decided to fix it, restored it, and put a brand new Hoover Type A in there. And I finally put a new belt, and I did change up the headlight. I took the headlight out of the Hoover Preferred and put it on my 1994's Hoover Elite. And I actually did restore the machine. I actually did restore the thing to be brand new. And for first of all, I decided to do a vacuum cleaner video, and let's see. Well, everybody, I really love this machine, but it's kind of pretty loud, but it's not too bad. But anyway, I really decided to run the vacuum cleaner for you guys. And also, I really decided to turn it on, okay? Anyway, you guys, it sounds kind of weird, but anyway, it's a good vacuum cleaner, but it's a really old machine. And it's been louder like this before, I might end up putting some new bearings in there when I get the money to do this, but right now, I really kind of fix it the best I can. I still works, still picks up. I actually fixed the headlight, and you know, the motor was been acting kind of funky a bit. And also, I have to tell you about that, you guys. This vacuum cleaner really works fantastically, but the motor sounds really fine to me. And guys, let me know on the comics if the motor sounded bad again, or if the motor works pretty good. It has good sound to it. And this vacuum is 31 years old. This is made in 1994. It was a 31-year-old vacuum. It's old. And it's a very old machine. I love it. And the motor was kind of a little bit, kind of a hardly used sound. And this thing's about 31 years old, you guys. And then I'm going to deal with it, okay? Also, make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click down below what you like to see for a brand new video for the Marshall Studios Forever franchise. I'll see you in the next video. Peace!